The dish which we are sharing today is a dish that renders peace and joy irrespective of the time in the day it is consumed. This is called Rave Doddakh in Konkani language. And by the way, Doddakh refers to a kind of thick dosa. This is a dish which is usually prepared for breakfast as it is very easy to prepare and of course tasty to consume as well. Welcome back to another episode of Happy Cooking. Without any further ado, let's learn to prepare this easy and tasty dish in 3 different variations. If you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon. This helps, inspires and motivates us and also marks a good beginning to our friendship. First, let us prepare a mix that is common for all 3 taste variations. For that, let us start by mashing 7 green chilies with the help of mortar and pestle. Once we have mashed this finely, let us add 2 tablespoons of sugar and continue to mash it as well. Now, in a different bowl, let us add 300 grams or 1.5 cups of Sooji Rava or Uppit Rava. And to this, let us add 1 cup or 100 grams of grated coconut. After grated coconut comes 1 cup or 150 ml of sour curds. If you are someone who doesn't prefer to consume curds, you can just go ahead and skip it. But in our experience, we have found curds to enhance the flavor of dish. Therefore, we are just adding it. And now comes the king of taste, Mr. Salt. Add salt as per your taste. After adding the salt as per requirement, let us go ahead and add the smashed green chilies and sugar mix and give this a good mix. The choice of smashing the green chilies is only to enhance its flavors, and it is purely a personal choice. We have found smashed green chilies to do a better job than chopped green chilies. And now let us prepare the first flavor of Rave Doddakh. And for that, we are taking 1 medium-sized finely grated cucumber. To this, let us add 1/3 part of prepared mixture of rava. It's time to give this a good mix. Let us add water as required to get a consistency that is a little thicker than dosa batter. Once all the ingredients have come together, let us rest the batter for 15 minutes. The second flavor of Rave Doddakh is the one with onions. Here we are adding 3 finely chopped medium-sized onions, and then goes half of the remaining mixture of Sooji and the required water before giving this a thorough mix. It is important to add water carefully because onions sweat and release some moisture. And now let us rest even this for 15 minutes. The final flavor of Rave Doddakh is the one with bananas. Here we are taking 2 fully ripe bananas and smashing them with the help of a fork. And then to this, let us add the remaining mixture of Sooji as well as the required water and then give this a thorough mix. After giving it a good mix, let us rest even this batter for about 15 minutes for rava to absorb the moisture. Look at this, my dear friends. After 15 minutes, all 3 mixtures are ready. The one with onions is the mixture that is prepared for breakfast on a common basis. And then comes the one with cucumber. This is usually prepared during the days of fasting and is also a preferable choice for the people who do not consume or have habit of consuming onions. And the final flavor is the one with bananas. This is usually liked by kids as well as by the ones who love sweet dish. And now is the final stage of preparing Rave Doddakh. And for that, we have heated a dosa tawa. It is important to spread the batter delicately onto the tawa. If you are preparing this for the first time, it is our humble request for you to give a little more concentration while spreading the batter. After spreading all three variants of Rave Doddakh, the most important ingredient to roast and bake them is butter. You can choose to roast this with ghee or vegetable oil, but roasting them and baking them with butter definitely adds a lot more flavors to Rave Doddakh. Once we have covered the lid and baked on one side, it is time to flip these beauties onto the other side and add one more cube of butter. And now, my dear friends, butter has melted and glazed our doddaks perfectly. So this is it, my dear friends. Tasty, healthy and very easy 3 different flavors of Rave Doddakh is ready in no time. If you liked this video and sharing of this recipe, we would request you to please give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your friends as well as family. And last but never the least, please prepare this dish at your homes and enjoy this delicacy. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking and have fun wherever you are.